From your Sakai course, click Site Info on the left. Click the Manage Tools tab at the top. Scroll down to LTI Plugin Tools and click on it to open. Scroll down to Reading List and check the box. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Continue. Click Continue again and click Finish. The Reading List link now appears on the left side of the page. Click on the link to launch the tool. Now you are ready to create a reading list. Click Create It. The title of the new reading list is pre-filled with the Sakai course name. Do not change the name. Click Create. On the next screen, you will be prompted to select a template for your course. Choose 15-week template. Now you are ready to build the reading list. Click the ellipsis in the section, then click Add Items. A tray opens on the right with options to build the reading list. Select Library Search to search for library citations. A search box opens. Enter the search criteria and hit Enter. Click on the citation, then click Add. The citation appears in the section. Repeat the process to add more items to the list. When you are done, click Home in the Sakai course navigation. Students can now click on the reading list link to view the class reading list.